Mustang Coupe.
Man, I just love this car. I know a lot of, I like a lot of the fastbacks, but there's something about the 69 that she's just got a great tail end. She's got a great nose. She's got great details and icons. That looks original. Wow, oh, that rubber's new. Rubber's definitely new. I'm kind of like a private detective with these cars. At least I try to be. All right, going around, a little tight look at the paint. Looks pretty darn good. Can't see myself in it, but that's because of the angle. And there is the nose. I'm going to say it's an aftermarket wind spoiler because I've installed those and I recognize it. Black insets on the eyes. I don't know if that's custom or not, guys. Let me know. Magnum 500 rims with BF Goodrich radial TAs. My favorite setup. I believe they're staggered from what I can tell from the tires. I don't know if you can see that, but it's there. And again, this paint. See me? See my fingers there? It's good paint. It's good paint. Flat black on the hood, as it should be. Hood pins. Beautiful rearview mirror. Very hard to find. Originals. And then here's the view from the passenger side on this car. I love this car. What is that movie that showcases a 69? It's with Keanu Reeves. Tell me, guys, I can't remember his name in that movie. But that's a cool 69 Mustang in there. And it gets a little bit of wax. I think that's just a buildup of wax in there. Probably be cleaned out with a toothbrush. A soft toothbrush. Okay, there it is. 69 Mach 1. Call Ed for details. What is that? Is that a smudge? Is that a smudge? Oh, just a fingerprint. Just a fingerprint. I know, I'm touching them a little bit, but I'm doing it to show you guys the details of the car. And they're letting me do that. So I'm not pushing my way through. Here's more cars all the way back.